hold up, because after watching this video, you won't need to watch any other video about Kling AI. In this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know from creating your account, understanding the pricing, to generate prompts, creating images, and even making videos, all inside Kling AI. And Kling AI is one of the best AI video generator in the world. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced professional, this video is going to be your one-stop solution. And yes, you can also jump to specific sections directly from the description. And here's all we are going to cover. Step 1. Creating your account. Step 2. Understanding the Kling AI interface and pricing. Step 3. How to generate prompts for your images. Step 4. Image to video generation. And step 5. Text to video generation. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here you can see the interface of the Kling AI. So before creating an account, let me show you the pricing plans. As you can see, Kling AI have a basic plan which comes for free. You are going to get some credits, but the credits are not going to renew every month. And then it comes the standard plan, which comes under $6.99 per month. And you can take all other plans as well. And if you are going to click over this yearly package, then you will get more discount as well. As you can see, 34%. And yes, make sure to check my description. From there, if you open your Kling AI account, then you will get a 50% bonus credits in your first month. As you can see, this is written in Kling AI as well. So now let's see how you can create the account. After opening Kling AI from the description, now you can take over this sign in button. And creating Kling AI account is really easy. You can just click over this sign in with Google, and you can choose any of your Google account. As you can see, I have successfully created the account and I got 166 credits for free. But let's just move to my paid accounts so that I can show you everything perfectly. And you can see the user interface of Kling AI. And here you can see the image option from where you can generate images. And here is the video option from where you can generate videos. And our main focus is to create the image and video. And from this asset section, you'll be able to see all of your previous created videos and images in here. So now let's go to the image section. And from here, we are going to first generate the prompt. For example, we are going to create an image of a Yeti, and our goal is to make the Yeti roar. So for that, we will first create the image, and here is the tricks. You can generate your prompt inside Kling AI using DeepSeek. So what you'll need to do, just click over this, have DeepSeek generate the prompt, and here you would need to write. So what I say is, hey, I'll need an image of a Yeti standing over a hill and the environment should be cold, and can you create a prompt for me to generate this? And now I'll just press this button and DeepSeek is going to give me a detailed prompt. For some reason, DeepSeek is not working right now. I tried multiple times. But we can actually generate the prompt using ChatGPT as well. ChatGPT also have the free plan. So head over to ChatGPT and copy paste the same prompt. And ChatGPT will give you a complete prompt. Most of the time DeepSeek work perfectly, but I don't know why this time it's not working. But you can try later, maybe this will be fixed. So after getting the prompt, what you'll need to do is to paste over this prompt box here. And just cross this one, the aspect ratio, because we will be able to select aspect ratio as we want from here. You cover the aspect ratio and you can see there is many aspect ratio available for the images, and I'm going to select 16:9. Also from here you can select how many images you need for this prompt at once. The more you are going to select, the more generate cost will be needed. As you can see, if I have 4 outputs in high resolution, then it will cost 4 credits. And for standard, it's the same. So we can select the high res and just click over this generate option. As you can see, the images are generating. Here you can see all the images have been generated, and I like this one really. And before making video from this image, I will upscale this. We go by this three dot, and from here you can select the upscale option. By upscaling, your image resolution will be more perfect. And let's move to the step 4, image to video generation. As you can see, we already have the image which we create inside Kling AI. Just click over this generate video option, and you will see there is a details prompt already added by Kling AI itself. But if you use your own image, then you will need to create prompt for yourself, or you can use a DeepSeek as well if you are using images from any different source. So I will keep it as it is, and here you can see we have standard output option and the professional option. If we select professional, then it will cost 35 credits for one video, and if we select standard, then it's going to cost us 20 credits. And from here you can select how long video you want. As you can see, for standard we can create up to 10 seconds, and for professionals we can create up to 10 seconds as well. So I'll keep it as it is, 5 seconds. And before clicking over this generate option, I'll need to fine tune the prompt a bit, as our goal was to make him roar. So I'll just add the roaring in here. Roaring. Writing slow motion will give you more perfect video. So let's just create this generate option. As you can see, with your paid Kling AI, you can generate the video within 1 minute. If you click over this turn on notification, then you will get a notification once the video generation is completed. So as you can see, our video has been generated. Let's see how perfectly Kling make the video. As you can see in the video, it's followed the prompt perfectly. As you can see in the prompt, there was written as the camera tilts down, and that's why the camera is moving down. We can try our custom prompt as well, so that we can make what we want. If you don't want to take the hassle of creating the prompt yourself, then you can just do some edits in the prompt that is given by Kling AI itself. So let's create another video, and this time I'm going to write my own prompt. So as you can see, I just added a custom prompt in where I say make the snowman roar while pounding its chest, and again slow motion. So let's create the video and let's see how perfectly Kling AI follow the prompt. So here you can see the video has been generated. Let me see how this come out. Okay, the video is perfect. It's roaring and pounding its chest as well. So just like this, you can create an image to video in Kling AI. And let's now see our step 5, text to video generation. For that, you can go back to home, and then you will need to click over this video option. You have image to video option, which we already covered. You can just drag and drop your image in here, and you can generate a prompt using DeepSeek, and then you can generate the video. And here is the text to video option. Here also you can click over this have DeepSeek generate the prompt. Last time DeepSeek didn't work. Let me see if it can handle right now. Let's see if it works now. Yeah, currently it's working. I think previously this wasn't work because of I write EAT. Maybe they have added something that preventing writing EAT. Just click over this prompt and this will be added in here. As you can see, everything is added. And here is the trick. If you want to use 2.1 master, then it will cost you 100 credits to generate only one video. I think Kling AI should have the option to select 2.1 only, but I don't know why they didn't include it. And 2.1 is actually perfect. It follows the prompt, but I'm generating with 1.6, And if you select this one, then you have all the options. Here's the professional that we already did before in the image to video section. And in this video, I'm going to show you the standard option, which is not full HD, but it is going to be 720p. Again, all of this section is good, and output should be 1. And we can keep the creativity as it is. And in the negative prompt box, you can write anything that you don't want in this video. So click over this generate option. The video has been generated. As you can see in the video, it matches the prompt perfectly. But as you can see, there is no movement in the background. Hopefully everything has been covered, but if you think there is something missing, please feel free to comment below, and please make sure to subscribe my channel so that I can keep bringing this type of videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.